Because the moving averages and the entire expert operate on H1, it's excessive to run our entire calculation package on every tick. That's because until there's a new bar, in this case on H1, we won't see any differences since we're always reading the bar that has just closed. To address this, we need to operate on each bar. Let's see how to do it. The first thing we need to do is define this integer variable bar_total, which will tell us the total number of bars present on our chart. Why do we need this? Because every time this number changes, it means a new bar has been added to the chart. Then we go and insert these 3 or 4 lines of code where we define an integer variable for the bars. We read it with this function, ibars. The symbol is taken from the chart, so wherever we've placed the expert. Right now I'm using M1, so every time there's a new 1-minute bar, meaning every minute, I recalculate my parameters. After that, I add an if statement, meaning if the total number of bars is different from bars. So if the old total is different from the number of bars I'm reading, it means there's a new bar, and then I update the total number of bars to the new number of bars. Then, inside this if check, so from here on down, I insert all the code I had written before, and I close the bracket here, so everything will be under this if statement. This allows me to recalculate every minute in this case. If I don't want to do it every minute, I can change this value here. I can set it to H1 or M15, M5, whatever I need. For our expert, it's better to keep it at every minute for now. So it's not too heavy, the expert will work better, and we won't lose any data anyway, because doing it every tick was too demanding in terms of memory and processing. So let's go ahead and compile what we've coded and see if it works.